Hey guys, Computastic here with another unboxing. These are hearing protection for children. Got these for my nephews to make sure that when they go to concerts or derbies or fireworks, that their hearing's protected. Because you gotta protect the little ones' ears so they don't go deaf at a young age. That would be kind of crazy. So we got two kinds here. This is a single one. And then this is a double pack. I'm getting three because I have 5 nephews. One is obviously way too little, still an infant, so that's not going to work. And then the other ones aren't necessarily together all the time, so figure 3 is enough for now. So this is the single one I'm going to do first. And see, just nothing to it really. And here they are themselves. They fold up nice and neat. You slide these down, and the adjustment part is right here. So slide it down. Fit a decent sized head. Let me try these on my big old head. And actually, in the biggest setting, they actually fit my head. So these will work for grown-ups too, but they're designed mainly for kids. They go small enough for that. Up here, it doesn't really move at all. It's just the slide is at the bottom. But definitely good. Definitely worth the money. I paid $35 for all 3 of these together. So I will put the link in the description so you guys can find them easier. What you doing in here? This one doesn't go in as well. There we go. Put that back in the box. And then the double pack, same thing. The single pack I did already open, that's why it looks a little different. But these, that's how they seal them up. And these also come with cases. So you save money by buying the double pack and you get a case. I don't quite understand that part of it, but double pack's a better deal, obviously. And this is just nothing. Well, this is a warranty card with a QR code. Not that that matters too much. And I'll just show you the box. I'll show you the bigger box because it has a little bit more info. There's the care and cleaning instructions. There's the headset. There's all that. Oh look, there's a barcode here and a serial number there, I guess. And so yeah, this would conclude the unboxing. And if you like this video, remember to give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm Computastic. Hope you guys have a great day as always, and a great rest of your year. Bye.